I got it all laid out. I'm professional today, okay? We got cilantro because, I don't know, that goes on pizza, right? Maybe like 5. Okay, that's probably good. Let me just add the whole bag. There we go. Sausage looks like dog food for Harley, to be honest. So I used to use forks to drink my soup at lunch, and the teacher's like, bro, you're stupid. I have Harley today, we're making pizza. You can go down. Harley actually is gonna help me make pizza today. I never made pizza before either. Last week was my first time making cupcake. Wait, these are muffins, not cupcakes. God damn it, dude. Oh yeah, that's good right there. That's good. Perfect, bro. Alright, so I guess I'll show you guys the ingredients that I got. But I got some dough, this stuff. I actually got 2 things. I might mess up, so I got 2. We got cilantro because, I don't know, that goes on pizza, right? So, yeah, cilantro on pizza. Wait, is that not a thing? I googled how to make pizza and it said cilantro was an ingredient. So I'm like, okay, is that not a thing? Flour the counter? Yo, actually that is true. I remember you need flour for cooking pizza. Put a 1 in chat if you remember this flour from last week. Literally the same exact flour. Let's see if I can do this without messing up like last time. Listen, I'm not dumb like last time. I know you just sprinkle like this, right? That's what you do. It makes it easier to shape. Grab like a few handfuls, maybe like 5. Okay, that's probably good. Why did you add so much? Is that a lot? How much am I supposed to add? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm like a child that's trying to learn how to cook for the first time. Put a bit more. Okay, says Lily. Lily, you know what? Lily knows what Lily's talking about, so I'm gonna trust Lily. Let me just add the whole bag. There we go. That's probably good. Yo, dude, I had more to put a lot. It's ruined. Is it really ruined? We have another one because I knew I was gonna mess up, but
nice approach.
What I do, I just kind of like do this. Is that what I do? It might be ruined. Jesus, dude. Of course, my first pizza is ruined. We have another attempt though, in case. So, all right, I think that's pretty good. I think that is actually pretty good. So now we add the sauce, right? Let it sit out for the air bubbles to and use to form to make it chewy. Oh, so just let it sit here. I got another pizza we could do while we let this sit. Only if it had a pizza toaster. I had one. It was an oven, but it was the size of a toaster. I actually had one of those back when I used to live at the barracks. That was my only way I could cook, because you didn't get actual ovens. You got like an electric stove, and that was it. So I got a toaster oven to like cook stuff. And dude, the fire alarms in those barracks, they go off over the tiniest thing. So I was making chicken one day, and out of nowhere, the alarm just went off. The entire floor, the alarm was going off, like everyone could hear it. And like when the alarm goes off, the fire department has to come by. So they came to my room and they're like, yo, why is your fire alarm going off? I'm like, dude, I was making chicken. All right, you know what? I'm about to just add some sauce now. So liquid, you use spoon. I learned that in the 2nd grade. So I used to use forks to drink my soup at lunch, and the teacher's like, bro, you're stupid. You use spoons for that. I'm like, oh. Sauce is indeed liquid, that's facts. Educational stream. It smells pretty good. I could probably eat it just like this, if I'm being completely honest. I'm so hungry. Like, actually, I'm ravenous right now. That word means hungry. I know that because I'm smart. I feel like I should use all this, you know? Depends on how much sauce you like in your pizza lamau. We're just gonna use all of it. I'm not a wasteful person, as you can clearly tell. So we're gonna use all of it. All right, what kind of pizza do you guys want? I can make 1 cheese pizza, and I can make 1 pepperoni pizza with sausage. What do you guys want? 'Cause I'm gonna give everybody a slice of this. So speak now or just don't speak. That's not even like enough cheese, to be honest. I could definitely have like another entire container on that. I can't believe I'm watching the first ever speedrun of pizza making live. This wild history in the making. You already know, dude. I'm the world's fastest speedrunner for cooking anything. That's way too much cheese. It's literally not. It's not even enough cheese in my opinion. God. All right, this is gonna be the pepperoni. Oh, actually, I was just trolling. I know what a 4th is. So we'll actually do on this one half pepperoni, half sausage, because I don't know. Some of you guys like pepperoni, some of you guys like sausage. So we gotta make sure everybody gets what they like. You need to spread the pepperoni still? I think the dough is too small for the size of these pepperonis. Probably. But I mean, it was in the same section. It was like in the section where you get stuff to make your own pizzas, so I don't know. The sausage looks like dog food for Harley, to be honest. What if they just sold dog food? That's literally what it is. How am I supposed to move this? This isn't what? I did not think this through. Here, let me move it this way. I should just title the stream, Dumbass tries to learn how to cook pizza. Or slide pizza onto, what is it called? Tray. I don't know. Slide, it won't end well. We're gonna slide it off. I probably should have made this on the actual, dude, I'm ruining the pizza right now. This is not gonna work. YOLO. There we go, we got it. We did it. It's a very normal problem to have. Guys, I did it. Awesome, we did it without dying. It's very, okay, we did it, guys. I don't know how, I thought I was about to die there, but I'm still alive, which is good. Oh, look at that, man, look at that. Perfect. 10 out of 10, dude. All right, so the pizza is done, so now we can take it out of the oven. See, I know at least one thing about making pizza. Okay, that looks like ass, dude. What is this? What is this? You can't, look at that, that's so bad, dude. Here, I'm gonna put it over here. Here, let me get a better shot of this. You guys see it? It looks good, right? You got the sausage, you got the cheese, you got the sauce, you got the dough, and you got the pepperoni. All right, I don't even know where to, do I cut halfway then? I don't know, I'm just gonna cut it. Is that good? I think I did good, guys. Aww. Dude, I missed, like all the sausage is just falling off. God. All right, that looks good enough for me. Now comes the taste test. Will it taste good? Is it poison? Stay tuned to find out. The ending may shock you. All right, I'm gonna taste this and give it a review. That's not bad, but it's not great. That was all right. Oh man, I barely touched that. Jesus, bro, I'm so dumb. This one looks better. Yeah, there's a lot more cheese on it, which makes it look better. I can do this, guys. Okay, maybe I can't do this. It's like stuck to the pan. Dude, it's literally stuck to the pan. Maybe I should put flour on the pan so it didn't stick. You didn't preheat the pan, that's why. So you have to preheat the pan. There we go. Okay, let me move this. Put it back in. Cool pan, dude. Let it sit. I mean, around here we like to do things the hard way. You know, that's kind of my thing. This looks already way better than this one. I think the amount of cheese I put on this evens out the sauce. Yeah, this is definitely not as good. That's good. The cheese really makes it taste so much better. I think the cheese just like gives it so much flavor for something. Yeah, that's what do you guys think? Do we make some pretty pog pizza? Here, let me get the thumbnail, okay?